Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Have a good day. How are you? Fine, sir. Thank you. Sit down. Hope all are you fine. Today we will discuss simple past. In last class, we have completed all the steps of simple present, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is negative, interrogative, negative, active, passive. All forms we have completed. Today's second step, that is simple past. Simple past, first rule is subject, V2, object or complement. Verb having three form, already I have told you. First form, present, second form, past, third form, past participle. So here, second form. Who can tell example? No one. Second form of the verb, V2. Subject, V2, object. Clear? Subject, V2, object or complements. Clear? Yes or no? All after the persons or subject, we will use second form of the verb in simple past. We ate, you ate, she sang, they danced, the children wrote, Anish cried, Varsha laughed, we celebrated. Like this, after the subject, verb will be V2. Clear? When you change the sentence into negative, what is the rule? Subject, did, not, V2 change into V1. How we can change this one? I did not. Okay. When simple past is changed into negative, the V2 change into V1. Why? Because of did. Do change into did. Clear? We danced, we did not dance. The child cried, the child did not cry. The principal told, the principal did not tell. Archita looked, Archita did not look. Clear? Like this. It is called your interrogative, third step interrogative. How it is? Did, subject, V1, object. How we can change I ate rice into interrogative? Who can tell? Satish tell.
Did I eat rice?
Yes. Did I V1 question mark, interrogative mark. Did I eat rice? You told a story. Did you tell a story? I drank water. Did I drink water? Suchitra gave me a gift. Did Suchitra give me a gift? Partha wept seriously. Did Partha weep seriously? Like this. Then question mark. Negative with interrogative. How is it? Did, subject, not, V1, object or complement. Who can tell? Same thing. Did I not eat rice? Like this. Or did not I eat rice? Both are correct. We can put did after not or subject after not. Clear? Did not I eat rice or did I not eat rice? Both are right. Up to this, all of you clear? Yes. Positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative with negative. Clear or no? Next one, will change into active to passive. This is called your active voice. This is called your passive voice. Already I told, active subject become passive object, active object become passive subject. isn't it? So how it is? Example you see, I ate rice. Subject V2 object active voice. Change into rice. Clear? Here rice object become here subject. I subject become here object. Followed by was where, followed by V3, V2 become V3 by object. You have to remember that every time in passive voice verb will be third form. Everywhere, every time, whether it is a simple present, past or future, imperfect, perfect or perfect continuous, everywhere verb will be third form. Okay. Then how can we change interrogative to interrogative active to interrogative passive? Did I eat rice? It is active interrogative. Change into passive. Who can tell? This is active interrogative. How can change into passive?
Does rice is eaten by me? Does rice is eaten by me?
Was rice eaten by me?
Was rice eaten by me? How? When you see the interrogative sentence is there, if you are in confusion, what will do? You remove the did. What happened? I ate rice. Yes or no? For easy understanding, you remove the did. I ate rice. It is present, a simple past. Change into passive. What will happen? Rice is. Rice was. Rice was eaten by me. Clear or no? It is interrogative having. Yet become it. Was changed into. Clear or no? Understood? When we did using, it is it. As a did come to past, become interrogative one. Was come to past, become interrogative one. Clear? Again another example you see. Did we read this book? Active passive, isn't it? This is active tense. How can I do? You remove the did. It is maybe present tense or past tense now, but written did here. So you keep in bracket. We read this book. Passive is this book was read by. So as did is here, interrogative, was will be here in interrogative. Clear? Understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Loudly.
Yes, sir.
Why I will tell loudly? If you understood, then tell. Means I am forcing you, I think. Next question you see. They played football. Change into passive. Who can tell? Only two girls. Barsha tell.
Football was played by
Football was played by them. Yes or no? Clear? It is called active. It is called your passive. When we make it interrogative, what will happen? Did they play football? Isn't it? Then was football played by them. Clear? How very, sit down. How it is very interesting to do it with a very simple way. Another question for you. Did he told a story. Change into passive. Who can answer quick? Did tell? Did he tell a story? Who can tell?
Was I tell the story?
Was?
Was he told a story?
No. Archita? Was a story told by subject and object. First we have to identify in the sentence subject and object. Take the object first. A story. A story was told by, so was will be in the first. Tell become told. Understood? Understood or no? Up to this all of understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So with this we have to complete simple past tense with its all verbs. Clear? Thank you all. Have a nice day.